Yeah man peeps, welcome back to my channel, and you know this is your girl Kelly. Yeah man. Yeah man peeps, as you can see, yeah they catch the fire. Yeah man, so you know what I want to the fire, so they catch the fire. Don't peeps. It is cooking time. Any. Yeah man, so here what I want to the peeps. Today I'll be cooking some callaloo rundown with dumpling and some fried chicken peeps. Yeah man peeps, so that I go on today peeps. So come over here and take a look at what I have here people. Yeah man peeps. As you can see peeps, me have my callaloo, then me have some scallion and thyme. Me have pepper. Yeah man, of course people, so it is corn dumpling. Callaloo rundown with corn dumpling peeps. Yeah man, that I go on, and me have some powder seasoning same way peeps. Yeah man. And we have a coconut, yeah man, with some fried chicken pepper. So the chicken already cleaned up from yesterday peeps, so it is well seasoned up down to the bone peeps, because it's seasoned up in the fridge from yesterday. Yeah man, so now just stay tuned and just watch what they go on people, because the one that go do a peeps, the one that go hot like a spice. And people don't hear me talk about spice, you know, I not talk about the entertainer spice, you know. Me talk like spices that we eat in our food, you know, peeps. Yeah man. So now just stay up and just watch what they go on peeps. So as you can see, me already set my cold pot them you know, so me go catch them right away peeps. So just stay up and watch what go on. Yeah man people. Get the fire ketchup. Put in some alcohol in there peeps. Wow. Alright peeps. So the fire the ketchup right about now peeps. So in the meantime, the fire the ketchup peeps, we go get the callaloo clean up. So now just stay tuned and continue watch what they go on. Any. Yeah man people, I set on the pot for fry the chicken in. Yeah man people, as I said today, some callaloo rundown with corn dumpling. Yeah man peeps, and fried chicken. So that I go on to the peeps. As you can see, Dava ox out the coconut right now. Yeah man people. And as me telling you, peeps, say the chicken already seasoned up from yesterday, you know. So this is season. So the chicken are well seasoned down to the bone, you know, peeps. Come take a look and look at it, peeps. Yeah man peeps, look at the chicken well from yesterday. It clean up and season up people. So well soaked man people. So look, see how it well seasoned up peeps. Yeah man.
Yeah man peeps, that I go on man.
Yeah man peeps. So now just stay up and continue watch what go on now peeps. So meanwhile the pot set on for fry the chicken in a piece, me go ahead and get the callaloo clean up people. Yeah man. So now just continue stay tuned and watch what they go on. Any. Yeah man people, me get the callaloo strip. Get the callaloo strip me people. Yeah man. And when me telling you say that wanna go to peeps. That wanna go nice. Like a spice peeps. Yeah man. Big woman thing, you know, peeps. Yeah man. For real. Poppy the behind the camera peeps. They always do they something here today for the callaloo them, you know. Put the big tough one them in the middle. I don't know if nobody see them, nobody now go want them if they see the big tough one them. Peeps, so just stay up and continue watch what go on, Any. Yeah, man, peeps. Now get in a one pepper in the aisle. Alright, peeps. So, me I get the flour season up now to deal with to fry the chicken, people. So, me I get in some baking powder. And me I get in some all-purpose. And me I get in some spice to the bone, this peeps. And me I get in a little bit of paprika season. Yeah, man, peeps.
Yes, that's fun.
Yeah, peeps, so that I go on right about now. Come on the other side. Yeah, man, people, so I'm going to get in some of the chicken. Get in the first batch of chicken now. Yeah, man, peeps. Go have to lift up this and put it on something because the fire too high. Which part is something?
That one piece of yeah, man, peeps. That was my way, you know, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah, man, peace, yeah. Get it something like them greater. Get it can them greater. Yeah, man, peace. Stand dumpling go bad like a spice. Any? Come on, peeps. Right now, me I set on the coconut water to deal with the cornflakes, me peeps. Fire well up, man, peeps. Just stay up and watch what I go on, cause right now, okay, I go deal with the cornflakes, me peeps. Any?
Peeps, may I get out the first set of chicken. Yeah, man, people. So them pretty peeps. Look at it. Yeah, man, peeps. Well soaking up peeps. Yeah, man, people. So that I go on peeps. As me say peeps, some corn dumpling, callaloo rundown with corn dumpling peeps. Yeah, man. That I go on to the people. Yeah, man. I remember, peeps. Make sure no not sleep, peeps. When me say people, make sure no not sleep. Make sure the TV now watching, peeps. Make sure uno they watch the TV, people. Yeah, man. Make sure, peeps, and make sure so no watch to the end of the video. And remember, so if you support me, peeps. Yeah, man. So, just continue, stay up and watch what they go on, peeps. Any. Yeah, man, peeps. So, Papi finish greater the corn people. Come take a look at it, peeps. Yeah, man, peeps. So, I go ahead right now. I need this dumpling. Come back, say a corn dumpling. Yeah, man, peeps. So, I just stay up and just watch what they go on. Any. Yeah, man, people. This is it, man. The corn flour, peeps. You yellow. Yeah, man, people. This is it. Some nice corn dumpling, people. Yeah, man. Cooked done with callaloo, people. So it's callaloo rundown with corn dumpling. Yeah, man. Peeps, so no just continue watch what go on. The pot a boil up, so me go get them in it right away, people. Any. Right, people. So me I get in the corn dumpling in the pot. Yeah, man, peeps. I want me telling us, say, peeps. I said I want to go nice, like a spice. Yeah, man, peeps. And as me telling us, say, peeps, me not talk the entertainer spice, When me say spice, me mean like a spice. Like a spice is what we eat. Yeah, man, like a the chili spice. Yeah, man, peeps. That me mean, peeps. Yeah. And I want to go nice, people. Corn dumpling, peeps. Callaloo rundown and fried chicken. I wanna go nice, man, peeps. You wanna go on now, peeps, just continue stay up, and just watch what they go on, and don't look fall asleep, Don't fall asleep, people. And peeps, if you just watch, people, if you support the channel, people. Yeah, man, remember if you subscribe and like the video, peeps. Yeah, man. Because I notice you know watching up people to not subscribe, man, and not like the different of like support them peeps. And big up on to all of my subscribers and my viewers them. Big on up, man. Many thanks for the support. Yeah, man. God bless you. Yeah, man. So I just continue watch what they go on peeps. My they continue need the flour. Any.
Yeah, man, peeps. They are going to be with the skeleton and time, people. Let's stay up and watch what going on, isn't it?
Yeah, man, peeps. As you can see, I get the callaloo cut up. Yeah, man. Get the cut up peeps to put in the pot right away, peeps. Cause you can see, me already put in the corn dumpling them. Yeah, man, peeps. I wanna go nice. Yeah, man, peeps, like a spice. So just continue stay up and watch what go on, my lovely people. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps. So as you can see, me done cut up the callaloo. Yeah, man, people. So me I get it in the pot right away. Yeah, man, peeps. So that I go on. So no just continue stay up and just watch how they go on. Any.
Okay, fry them up there. Then I'll go back there again. Then we go back in the food.
Yeah, man, peeps. We have a lot of them white pretty birds there. Alright, peeps. So me I get in some natural seasoning, scallion, thyme, onion, and pepper. Yeah, man. I'm go get in some powder seeds in as well, peeps. Me I get in some Maggi all purpose. And me I get in some spicy to the bone. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps. I get in some salt to peeps. Yeah, man, people to come and take a look. Man, peeps, so that I go on. Callaloo rundown, corn dumpling. Yeah, man, peeps, so that I go on. Yeah, man, so they just continue stay up and watch where they go on, people. Yeah, man, any. As you can see me go ahead and get out some more chicken because they are so beautiful, peeps. Yeah, man. And as you know, see, Zafan just the having like they eat peeps. Yeah, man. All right, people. So me go ahead and get in some more. Yeah, man, peeps. We get in some more chicken. Yeah, man, my lovely people. They just continue stay up and just watch what they go on. Because remember, peeps. Remember, this is Kelly Kitchen. Yeah, man. So we just continue stay up and watch what they go on, people. Any? Yeah, man, peeps. Callaloo rundown with the corn dumpling. Ready, peeps. Take a look at it. Yeah, man, peeps. Yeah, man, peeps. That's what's going on. corn dumpling with callaloo rundown. Yeah, man. So everything done now, peeps. Chicken finish fryer, everything. So we go ahead and share out right away, peeps. So just continue stay up and just watch what they go on. Any. Yeah, man, peeps. As you can see, I get the food share out. Yeah, man, Dav come help see me. Come out here in our way. Oh, we should go around that side, you know. Just want to fly them. Yeah, man, peeps. Callaloo rundown with corn dumpling. Oh, fuck. Yeah, man, peeps. As me said, I want to go do a peeps. I want to go nice, like a spice. Yeah, man, peeps. Pass on. Eh? So, oh, Papi, when saying you want the pepper one, I don't remember. Pass down them plate there. There. Give me this way. All right. Me blue plate. All right, peeps. Take a look of what's going on. Take up this door. Take out them. I plate them. I'm telling the peeps. I want to go nice like a spice, peeps. Yeah, man, you see it, peeps? Yeah, man, peeps. So just continue stay up and watch what they go on. Any?
Yeah, man, peeps support. Bad man, not telling no lie, peeps. callaloo, what we do?
True, man. Yeah, man, peeps. This is one of bad peeps. I'm going to tell us the peeps. Me did tell on you know. Me did tell us that one I go nice like a spice and it nice like a spice peeps. Yeah, man. Callaloo run down with corn dumpling. The bad peeps. Mm-hmm. And as me telling you in the beginning, you know, peeps, me not talk about the artist spice, you know. Me talk about spice, like a chili spice. Yeah, man, peeps. You see how Papi done eat done the peeps and gone back in the pot there. Yeah, man, peeps. So we make it to the end of the video now, peeps. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And tell a friend about Kelly Jamaica TV. Yeah, man, peeps. The one that was very nice, peeps. I'm out.